Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I'll show you how you can use your recovery phone number to reset your Microsoft accounts. To start, click on any browser of your choice on your computer, and the address bar type account.microsoft.com. And with your email, type in your email, click next. Enter password. Or you can click on forget password. Will prompt you to verify your identity. Verify my identity with a phone number. Get a short code. I type, take it, my phone number, and the code will be sent. My phone. See, but I copy the code. Sign in. Says so that web portal. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon. For more information, under the description, click on link to the post to find more information on how you can use recovery phone number to reset your Microsoft accounts website. Thank you.